we started where everyone starts, ground zero. 745 days later, we're doing this. The Ministry of Nirvana began with day one and a tight-knit community of people wanting to make a difference. Ever since then, the only thing that's changed is our size and our success. And we'll continue to be grateful for the 5,000 plus participants who've engaged with us during our events, to the over 200 members that support us and make it happen. Back in 2022, we didn't have a place, at least not in Australia, but now you can find us everywhere. From our first steps in Melbourne, across the country in Sydney, Adelaide, Perth, Brisbane, Toowoomba, Launceston and Hobart, and across the seas to join the Kiwis at Christchurch and Auckland. But the best part? We've only just started. So, what did we do over the last 3 years? Well, we opened Pandora's box. Except it didn't release evil and misfortune to the world. Instead, we let out the truth. The truth behind Buddhist philosophy, the science behind your mind, the hidden theory to everything. From our very first word to the countless individual and group discussions, evening talks, weekly Dhamma sermons, visits to rehabilitation centres, full-day workshops and weekend retreats, the message keeps spreading. And now as the day moves on and we cross off day 745 from our journey, everything has changed. Except the spark that brought us to life, a little flame of wisdom, setting fire to the anger, sadness, jealousy and grief that people feel every day. Making way for the seedlings of truth, a truth that we know all too well can help set you free. Remember the name, Ministry of Nirvana, because we started where everyone starts, but you can be certain that we'll finish where no one has before.